Xiaomi, you sent this to me. Everybody was telling me about this. Xiaomi got blacklisted in the U.S. I mean, Trump is on his way out, but he's still got stuff going on as far as banning is concerned or blacklisting is concerned. Now, Xiaomi sort of responded disputing the blacklist. The claim here is that Xiaomi has ties to the Chinese military. That's the claim from the U.S. government. Obviously, Xiaomi, an enormous smartphone maker at this point, I think sitting in number 3 most recent numbers for global smartphone shipments. Huge in places like India, where we have a large audience, many people familiar with the company. They put out this announcement on Twitter, which you and I were reading earlier. We're like, whoa, this seems really legal, really professional. I'm not sure how fans are going to take this piece of information in a positive light or whatnot, but they're trying to defend themselves by the looks of it, saying, we're not affiliated with the Chinese military at all. Please chill out. Of course, the market responded, and the company plunged a record 10% after this blacklist. They are China's number 2 smartphone maker. There were more companies included in this blacklist. And who knows, I guess, are these things upheld when Trump leaves office? Does Biden go and look at it and create his own rules? Or does he uphold whatever has been already put in place? It's hard to know, but there are so many affiliations that exist. Like, for example, Qualcomm is an investor in Xiaomi and a huge supplier. There's all kinds of relationships where huge American companies would not want one of their partners to be in this particular position, or where one of their partners like Xiaomi could apply pressure to the government via their supplier, Qualcomm, their partner, Qualcomm, who could go pick up the phone and be like, hey, we're trying to do some stuff here. Now, obviously, that wasn't the case with Huawei, who kind of got buried by this thing. So we'll have to wait and see how it pans out for Xiaomi. But for the time being, they're saying, no Chinese military, give us a break. It's all good. That's at least what they're saying.